Here's a quick tip on how to make gluten-free chicken nuggets. The kids are going to love them, and there's only a few ingredients involved. I'll add 2 eggs. We'll crack into a bowl. And now just with a fork, I'll whisk this. Now this is going to act like the glue to our chicken nugget crumb. So in the crumb, to make this gluten-free, no flour, but I'll be using almond meal. It's also going to give it a lovely nutty flavour. So about 2 cups of almond meal, along with some sesame seeds. And I'm using sumac, which has a slight tangy flavour, almost tomato flavour to it. If your kids don't like this spice, by all means you can leave it out and keep it very natural with just some sesame seeds. We'll also season this with a generous pinch of salt, and then with your hands give that a mix to combine it all together. Now for the chicken. 2 chicken breasts. You can see the chicken is uneven, so to even it up, we'll start with the tip of the chicken breast, and that'll be 1 nugget, and you can make these chicken nuggets as big or small as you like. So we'll cut that in half and then into cubes. Wonderful. Now I need a production line, so egg first and then the crumb, and we'll place the pieces of chicken into the egg mixture. Drain the excess off, then into our almond meal crumb. And this is perfect as is, but I like these to be extra crispy, so I like to double dip into the egg again, and then into the crumb. Now once I finish making these, I'm just going to spray them with a little coconut oil. You could also use vegetable oil or olive oil. Then they go into the oven, a hot oven, 200 degrees, for about 20 to 30 minutes or until they're really golden brown. How fantastic do these chicken nuggets look? And to keep with the healthy theme of these chicken nuggets, I'm going to serve it with some yogurt and a hint of sweet chili sauce. And I just like to mix them together. And I'm going to have a taste of these. Super crispy. We'll dunk that in the yogurt and the sweet chili. They are so delicious. They're not heavy or greasy, and you can see because we double coated them, we've got a nice crusting on those nuggets. They are a winner. The kids are going to love them. The adults are going to love them too.